This is why the Japanese people are considered among the wisest and greatest nations in the world. You'll be quite surprised by the end. In Japanese schools, the students don't take any exams until they reach grade 4. The Japanese believe that at this age, there are far more important lessons to impart to children than those found on tests. First, there's teaching proper behavior and respect for all people, regardless of their financial status. Second, it's about fostering independence and simultaneously the ability to work in a team. For example, there are no janitors in schools. Students share responsibilities and take full charge of cleaning. Third, students learn the importance of valuing and conserving the environment. Fourth, education is pursued truly for knowledge, not for grades. In the lower and middle grades, students aren't given grades. Fifth, politeness and punctuality are emphasized. As a result, children's interest in their studies is so high that attendance rates are nearly 100%, and the overall development of these children ranks among the most advanced. What do you think about this? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you're following us, welcome back. You are growing every day.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.